Here are 9 spring cleaning mistakes you're probably making. I'm Phoenix real estate agent John Cunningham with eXp Realty, and when we get back, spring cleaning. So the number one spring cleaning mistake that you're probably making is just not having a really good plan. You know, cleaning a house, spring cleaning from head to toe is a big project. And if you don't have order to the project before you begin, you might find yourself overwhelmed. So having a plan is numero uno. Number 2 is skipping the tough jobs. Yeah, nobody wants to pull out the oven and clean all that greasy stuff behind it. It's scary, I get it, but it's got to get done. Number 3, using dirty tools. You know, if you've just cleaned the oven, it's probably got some stuff on it, so it's probably not a good idea to use that thingy to wipe down other surfaces and spread all that love around that you just took off the stove. Get it? Got it? Good. Number 4 would be cleaning all by yourself. Hey, this is a big job. Even broken down into bite-sized pieces, this is a great big project, and it's really best suited for more than one person. So cleaning all by yourself is usually a mistake. Number 5 is expecting to get everything done in one day. Better idea would be to break it into pieces so that it's more manageable. Expecting to get everything done in one day is definitely one of the big mistakes. Number 6 is using only one product. Yeah, you can go buy a big bottle of Pine Sol and try to clean everything with it. It's good for some stuff. It's good for toilets. It's good for some floors, but in other places it just kind of leaves a weird chemical film, right? You don't want to use that stuff on your windows. And number 7 is holding on to stuff too long. So if you've got a lot of knickknacks around that really don't mean much to you and are kind of cluttering the surface, it's really making it difficult to clean and keep it clean. So best idea would be to do a little bit of purging, decluttering, get rid of stuff. And number 8 is cleaning from bottom to top. You'd be surprised how often this happens. People do a great job. They clean their floors up, they move up, they clean the countertops, the cabinets, and then they move up to the fans, and they clean the fans, and all the dirt falls down on all the stuff they already cleaned. Get it? Got it? Yeah. Big mistake. So start from the top, work your way down. And number 9 is keeping the windows closed while you're cleaning. So picture this, you're cleaning that dirty fan that we've been talking about 3 or 4 times already. The dirt's falling off, the window's open, it's blowing dirt where? Right onto all the other stuff in the house. So keeping the windows closed while you're cleaning, real good idea. So these are the 9 big spring cleaning mistakes that a lot of people make. Now, if you're getting ready to sell your home, it's a really good idea to hire a professional crew to do this. You know that for the money that you spend on that task, you're going to get lots and lots of money returned for that little small investment. There's no one thing you can do to your house outside of having it professionally cleaned that'll return more money on your dollar. I'm Phoenix real estate agent John Cunningham with eXp Realty. Thanks for watching this video. See ya.